Update Candy Crush Saga. First, why update? You will get new levels, bug fixes, and first feature like weekly update mentioned in the App Store listing. To update, open App Store, tap your profile picture at top right corner, scroll until you see Candy Crush Saga, or you can tap Apps and scroll until you see Candy Crush Saga. Tap Update if it appears, or turn on automatic updates under Settings. Tap App Stores, and toggle on app updates. You can reinstall with backup. Make sure you are logged into King's account or Facebook to save progress. Uninstall and reinstall the app. After reinstalling, log back in, your saved progress will be restored. And that's it. Now your Candy Crush is fully updated with all the latest levels and fixes. Question: drop them in the comment, like if this helped you, and subscribe for more candy powered mobile tutorials. See you in the next one.